Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here, with a severe weather update for the Day 1 Outlook. We have a slight risk for severe weather today that encompasses east and South Dakota, most of Minnesota, northwestern Wisconsin, and western part of the UP of Michigan. Cities in today's slate include, Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, Rochester, Minnesota, Duluth, Minnesota, and Bloomington, Minnesota. And we have two marginals today. One covers parts of Montana, parts of North Dakota, parts of South Dakota, far northeastern Nebraska, northwestern and far southern Minnesota, most of Iowa, parts of Wisconsin, northwestern Illinois, and parts of the UP of Michigan. A second marginal today covers east central Ohio, most of West Virginia, most of Virginia, northeastern North Carolina, Washington, D.C., all of Maryland, all of Delaware, most of New Jersey, and most of Pennsylvania, including my area. Cities in today's marginals include New York, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., and Virginia Beach, Virginia. Going to today's tornado threat, there is a small area where we have a 5% chance of an isolated tornado today, encompassing a part of central Minnesota and far northwestern Wisconsin. Cities in the 5% tornado risk area today include Duluth, Minnesota, Superior, Wisconsin, Brainerd, Minnesota, and Cloquet, Minnesota. And we have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses extreme southeastern North Dakota, east central South Dakota, most of Minnesota, northwestern Wisconsin, and the northwestern part of the UP of Michigan. The 2% tornado risk area today includes Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, Rochester, Minnesota, Bloomington, Minnesota, and Plymouth, Minnesota. And now to the wind threat for today. There is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that encompasses east central South Dakota, most of Minnesota, northwestern Wisconsin, and western part of the UP of Michigan. Cities in the 15% wind risk area today include Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, Rochester, Minnesota, Duluth, Minnesota, and Bloomington, Minnesota. And we have two areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour or higher today. One covering most of Montana, parts of North Dakota, parts of South Dakota, far northeastern Nebraska, northwestern and far southern Minnesota, most of Iowa, far northwestern Illinois, parts of Wisconsin, and the central part of the UP of Michigan. And the other 5%, sorry, I have a little bit of a sore throat. So all the humidity and a little bit of wildfire smoke. Kind of a combination that happened in my area last night. But anyway, this 5% wind risk area over here today encompasses east central Ohio, northeastern half of West Virginia, most of Virginia, northeastern and east central North Carolina, Washington, D.C., all of Maryland, all of Delaware, most of New Jersey, and most of Pennsylvania, which includes my area. The 5% wind risk areas today include New York, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., and Virginia Beach, Virginia. And now to today's hail threat. There is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses far east central South Dakota, parts of Minnesota, and northwestern Wisconsin. Far northwestern Wisconsin. Cities in the 15% hail risk area today include Minneapolis, Minnesota, Duluth, Minnesota, Plymouth, Minnesota, Brooklyn Park, Minnesota, and Coon Rapids, Minnesota. And finally, we have a 5% chance for hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, encompassing parts of Montana, parts of North Dakota, parts of South Dakota, northwestern and southern Minnesota, north central and west central Wisconsin, and western part of the UP of Michigan. And the 5% hail risk today includes St. Paul, Minnesota, Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Billings, Montana, Rochester, Minnesota, and Fargo, North Dakota. So, in summary, severe thunderstorms will be possible this afternoon and evening from parts of the upper Mississippi Valley into the western Great Lakes. Marginally severe storms will also be possible in parts of the northern plains, central Appalachians, mid-Atlantic, and eastern North Carolina. So, anyway, that's the day one outlook. So, anyway, stay safe in the affected areas today, even in the marginals, because sometimes marginals can produce some pretty strong storms, and I will have my day 2 outlook this afternoon. Take care.